My name's Taylor Moore. I'm Vice President of E.T. Moore Manufacturing. We're in the reclaimed lumber business located in Richmond, Virginia. One of the reasons I stopped utilizing the Facebook platform 4 or 5 years ago is it became difficult. The easy days of Facebook marketing were over, and I just didn't have time to learn and keep up to where I could run profitable campaigns. This Facebook Slingshot course has really helped me take in my Facebook campaigns and the entire advertising Facebook program up to the next level. I believe that the amount of money that this program has saved, the cost of the program, it's probably made that back in just a matter of months, and savings from having streamlined campaigns that are driving the traffic and creating the sales in our business. My absolute favorite part of the program is the one-on-one time that I had with Bob. His level of expertise going into my campaign structure, double checking everything, giving me tips all the way throughout is almost immeasurable. Throughout the 12-day program, through Bob's leadership and guidance, I ended up changing my campaign structure a total of 3 times. And today it's really starting to work well, driving lots of traffic at much lower cost than when I started. One of the most valuable aspects of the Facebook Slingshot program has been the accelerated format that I got to relearn the platform on. And I knew that the format was gonna be successful. I'd say a real close second is the camaraderie and the people that I met on the program. And now I have an entire entourage of experts. If I run into snags, I have a number of people I can contact and help me through the problems and situations. After going through the Facebook program, we were able to increase our telephone traffic by 1/3, increasing from 640 telephone calls per month to 840 telephone calls per month. After the first day of the Zoom classes and starting to go through the marketing materials that they gave us and starting to consume and digest it, I pretty quickly realized that I needed to upgrade my membership in this particular series to incorporate the one-on-one sessions. I believe that has probably been one of the biggest and most helpful to get that one-on-one hands-on experience and guidance, looking at my campaigns and talking about the strategies and manipulating everything in a way that it becomes much more profitable for me than what I could have done on my own within the same time frame. The Facebook Slingshot program's been a wonderful experience. I definitely recommend this to anyone.